You might not want to show who you are friends with on your Facebook friends list. So in this way, I'm going to show you how you can hide it so that people that look at your profile will not know your friends list. So before I show you, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can hide your Facebook friends list. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your Facebook app. Click on the top left, the three lines, the burger icon. Then you scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. And then you scroll down, you should be able to see audience and visibility. So you can see how people can find and contact you. Click on that. And then you can see here, who can see your friends list. Now this is important because you do not want people to see your friends list. If you want to, you can. Alright, so the number of friends that you have is public. If you set that it's only me, other people may see your friends with someone else, but mutual friends are always visible. But for your other friends, they're not visible. So for me, I would like to put it as only me, not just public or friends or specific friends, because there are these cases last time where people do stalk and then they check on your friends and then they add your friends. I do not want to do that, so I only limit to only me, but they can still see mutual friends. Right? So this is how you can do it. This is how you can add your Facebook friends list so that no other people can see it. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Facebook tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.